Camping stoves today take many forms, from compact wood-burning wonders that use twigs and dry leaves for fuel to incredibly efficient mountaineering stoves that appear to be little more than a steel box, to the standard, or should we say classic Coleman outdoor stove that has been making the wild more enjoyable for generations, as well as everything in between. What's up, guys? Today you'll take a look at the best camping stoves for outdoor cooking you can buy right now. We'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices, you can check out the links in the description below. If you are new here, do subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest video. Without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Esbit Ultralight. Want a lightweight, dependable, ultra-compact camping stove that will keep the hot food coming when ice is forming in your water bottle? The Esbit Ultralight Folding Pocket Stove is here to answer the call. This is not a stove you're going to use for the summer barbecue, but it is a stove you'll use when you and a friend are engaged in a lengthy hunt and have set up camp in the high country, or when you've hiked deep into the woods in wintertime so you can be up with the sun to attack an ice climb. A perfect piece of kit for the serious adventurer. No one is going to swoon over the beauty of the design here. This is a camping stove that's meant to go wherever you go and set up in seconds, regardless of altitude, locations, or weather. Number 4. Coleman Classic Propane Camping Stove. There are a few camping essentials everyone is familiar with, including the Nalgene bottle, the flashlight, and the Coleman stove. This dual-burner Coleman camping stove collapses down to a convenient briefcase-size package for easy storage and portability. One area where they've improved their classic stove in recent years is the perfect flow system that regulates propane pressure to ensure you always get a nice even burn and perfect results with your culinary efforts. If you're into tailgating, the Coleman Classic Double Camping Stove is the perfect tool to keep those dogs and burgers coming in the hours leading up to kickoff. Simple, efficient, easy to clean, and easily portable. What else do you want in a two-burner camping stove? You may also be interested in some of the best cooking tripods from our list, so check them out. Number 3. Coleman Camp Propane Camping Grill. If you want to maximize your versatility while on vacation, this 2-in-1 camping stove and grill from Coleman will provide you with many times the food options a regular stovetop alone can. The propane camping grill or stove is not a new idea, but it's handled here with such a facility it might seem like Coleman invented the technology. You have total control over the heat on both sides, and the unit is one of the most stable tabletop camping stoves around. The top acts as an uber-effective windshield, while side trays fold out to hold spoons, spatulas, knives, and more. All in all, it's the kind of camping stove you'll want to bring with you whether you plan on spending 2 weeks in a tent or the summer in the RV. Number 2. Camp Chef Explorer 2 Camping Stove. If you've ever barbecued for a large group, you know how quickly things can grind to a halt if you just have one charcoal-driven cooking surface. The Camp Chef Explorer 2 Camping Stove allows you to take the cookout bowl by the horns and keep the food line moving. Heat is totally adjustable, the cooking surface is nearly 3 feet wide, and you have the ability to assign different burners to different tasks. The Explorer is perfect for family vacations at the campground, tailgating parties before the game, cookouts at the beach, to augment your outdoor kitchen capabilities, or just to keep on the patio for Sunday dinners. Each burner here will kick out 30,000 BTUs of blue flame heat, so if you typically find yourself cooking for a large crew, this is the camping stove for you. And just in case you're wavering, keep in mind that it's less than $100. Number 1. Coleman Powerpack. Coleman has been making camping gear of all kinds for more than 100 years, and yet they continue to come up with new and innovative ways to approach design and maximize efficiency. The Coleman Powerpack single-burner propane camp stove is a prime example of this at work. It sports an innovative profile that's both incredibly minimalist and lightweight, as well as being among the most stable single-burner camping stoves you'll find. You'll get a robust, wind-resistant flame that doesn't fluctuate, and you'll never have to worry about your camping stove blowing over when the wind kicks up. Some may scoff at the idea of placing a 12 inches pan on this little guy, but it can take it, easily. Which is pretty remarkable. As usual with Coleman, this dependable, versatile camping stove is also incredibly affordable. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like on this video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel.